is difficult to imagine an effective implementation of any transformation or modification without well-considered and properly shared communication about the change initiative. Team leaders play here an extremely important role, as they are responsible for ensuring that their teams achieve the business objective of the change initiative and remain engaged. Hi, this is Aldona Blondin from ABCC Positive Change Management. Out of my experience, learnings and some studies, a pivotal moment for team leaders beginning the implementation of the change with their teams, it is during the very first communication about new solution. This is when they can either gain or miss the start of a positive spiral. Let's talk about some typical mistakes at this point of the change process. Dear team leader, avoid communicating about a new project or change to your team when you are still processing the content of the project or the impact of the change on you or your team. Especially when you have some question, doubts, or even temporary issues with the belief for the new solution. Then rather postpone as much as you can till you find the way with your inner concerns. First, take care of your acceptance before you start communicating with your team, because you have to be stable and confident in front of your people. No, seriously? You intend to send an email or to post on Teams like a platform the announcement about the project? Yes, of course, you can find tons of good reasons explaining why it is much better doing like that. For instance, the speed of exchange, or skipping facing the potential resistance face to face. Actually, you might lose in this way pretty vital information by observing and listening how your people react to this announcement. Yes, they might be not enthusiastic, let's say so. And this is okay. At least you will learn very quickly and you have better chance to react to this resistance. Once during the workshop Change Management, I heard from one of participants about a brilliant communication strategy. He said, okay, building the communication plan, what about control leak and informal gossiping? Well, I answered, depending on what you would like to achieve. Stress, decreasing work efficiency, increasing the resistance, you've just selected perfect method. Small conspiracy and small chunk of information shared only with selected people, definitively they make temperature hotter, negatively hotter. First, take care of your acceptance, then prepare your pitch and inform your team transparently and personally. Challenging? Yes, I know. That's why I offer my workshop signature, Change Management for Team Leaders. Ask your HR department to contact me. Aldona Blondin, your positive change coach.